Behavioral Therapist, Pinnacle Blooms Network, Himayat Method. Today I am talking about what is neurodevelopmental disorders, especially what is ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. According to the latest Indian Council of Medical Research reported that 12% of the children between the age of 4 to 16 suffering from psychiatric disorder in India. The fast-paced life is damaging the mental health of adults and children alike. What is neurodevelopmental disorder? Neurodevelopmental disorders are a group of conditions which typically begins early in the developmental period, often before the child enters the elementary school. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism, learning disabilities, intellectual disabilities is also called as mental retardation, contact disorder, cerebral palsy, impairment in vision and hearing are some of the examples of neurodevelopmental disorder. Such disorders are characterized by developmental deficit that cause impairment of personal, social, academic, occupational functions. Then what is ADHD? Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD is a chronic condition including attention difficulty, hyperactivity and impulsiveness. ADHD often begins in childhood and it persists into adulthood. The symptoms can be severe, the cause difficulty in school, in home and with friends also. The major symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder may be categorized into two: inactiveness, hyperactivity and impulsiveness. The symptoms divided into four: behavioral symptoms, cognitive symptoms, mood and others. In behavior symptoms include aggression, fidgeting, hyperactivity, impulsivity, lack of resistance and persistence, repetition of words and action. Cognitive symptoms include absent-minded, difficulty in focusing, forgetting, problem paying attention, short attention span. The mood symptoms that include anger, anxiety, excitement and mood swing also. Then coming to the treatment part. The treatment of ADHD include medication, behavioral therapy, counseling and educational service. What is behavioral therapy? Behavioral therapy means that can be a range of treatment and techniques which can use to change the individual to maladaptive the response of specific situation. In behavioral therapy is an effective treatment for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. With this therapy can improve the child to self-control and improve their self-esteem. I hope that you can understood what is neurodevelopmental disorder and what is ADHD. Thank you.